In this video, we will explore the pros and cons of chia seeds. So, let's get started and take a closer look at the pros of chia seeds. Number 1. High in nutrients. Chia seeds are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with essential nutrients. They are an excellent source of fiber, providing both soluble and insoluble fiber that promotes healthy digestion, prevents constipation, and supports bowel regularity. Chia seeds are also rich in plant-based protein, making them a valuable addition to vegetarian or vegan diets. Additionally, chia seeds are a good source of calcium, manganese, and phosphorus, contributing to healthy bones, teeth, and overall mineral balance in the body. Number 2. Excellent source of dietary fiber. Chia seeds are highly regarded for their fiber content. When soaked in liquid, they form a gel-like substance due to their high soluble fiber content. This gelatinous texture aids in slowing down digestion, promoting a feeling of fullness, and potentially assisting in weight management. The soluble fiber in chia seeds also helps regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of carbohydrates. Additionally, the insoluble fiber in chia seeds adds bulk to the stool, supporting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Number 3. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Chia seeds are one of the best plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and play a vital role in brain function, including cognition and memory. The omega-3 fatty acids found in chia seeds, particularly alpha-linolenic acid (ALA), have been associated with a reduced risk of heart disease, as they help lower cholesterol levels and maintain healthy blood pressure. Number 4. Antioxidant powerhouse. Chia seeds are rich in antioxidants, which help protect the body against damage from free radicals. Antioxidants are crucial for reducing oxidative stress, a process linked to chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and aging. Chia seeds contain various antioxidants, including flavonoids and phenolic compounds, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and disease-fighting properties. Regular consumption of chia seeds can contribute to a higher intake of antioxidants and support overall health and well-being. Number 5. Promote hydration and electrolyte balance. Chia seeds have the remarkable ability to absorb liquid and can hold up to 10 times their weight in water. This unique property makes them an excellent source of hydration and can help maintain proper electrolyte balance in the body. When consumed, chia seeds form a gel-like substance in the stomach, which slows down the conversion of carbohydrates into sugar and provides a sustained release of energy. This gradual release of nutrients helps regulate fluid levels and prevents spikes in blood sugar levels. These are the main pros of chia seeds. There are also potential drawbacks to consider. So, let's get into the cons of chia seeds. Number 1. Digestive issues. Chia seeds are high in fiber, which is generally beneficial for digestive health. However, consuming excessive amounts of chia seeds, especially when not properly soaked or ground, can lead to digestive discomfort. The high fiber content may cause bloating, gas, or even constipation in some individuals. It is important to gradually introduce chia seeds into your diet and drink plenty of water to minimize the risk of digestive issues. Number 2. Allergic reactions. While rare, allergic reactions to chia seeds can occur. Chia seeds are related to other seeds such as sesame and mustard, and individuals with known allergies to these seeds may be at a higher risk of developing an allergic reaction to chia seeds. Symptoms of an allergic reaction may include itching, skin rashes, hives, or in severe cases, anaphylaxis. If you suspect an allergy to chia seeds, it is advisable to consult an allergist for proper diagnosis and guidance. Number 3. Interference with medications. Chia seeds contain mucilage, a gel-like substance that can act as a natural blood thinner. While this can have potential health benefits, it can also interfere with certain medications. If you are taking blood-thinning medications such as warfarin or aspirin, consuming large amounts of chia seeds could increase the risk of bleeding or affect the effectiveness of the medication. It is crucial to consult with your healthcare provider if you are on any medications to determine if chia seeds may interact with them. Number 4. Calorie density. Chia seeds are nutrient-dense and contain healthy fats, protein, and fiber. However, they are also high in calories. Just 1 ounce of chia seeds provides approximately 138 calories. While chia seeds can be a valuable addition to a balanced diet, excessive consumption without considering their caloric content can lead to unintended weight gain. Moderation and portion control are key when incorporating chia seeds into your daily intake. Number 5. Phytic acid content. Chia seeds, like other seeds and grains, contain phytic acid, which can bind to certain minerals such as zinc, calcium, and iron. This binding action can inhibit the absorption of these minerals in the body. While the phytic acid content in chia seeds is relatively low compared to some other seeds, it is worth noting for individuals who rely heavily on chia seeds as a nutrient source. To mitigate this potential concern, soaking or sprouting chia seeds can help reduce the phytic acid content and enhance mineral absorption. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.